Cat's parents had a rest, and she had absolutely nothing to do. So she peeped out of the window almost the whole day. She imagined their leisure full of beauty among trees, flowers, and bushes. Then she remembered about the bird table. But this day it was empty, and she couldn't feed the birds herself. The ones in the birdhouse didn't show up, so there was nobody outside the window to communicate with or to schedule. And just thought about her favorite pictures. She visualized winter, one of her favorite seasons, because it's so beautiful, incredibly full of different entertainments. She imagined other different pictures, rainbows and waterfalls and all these things. Because when one imagines sunshine or moonlight or stars, one becomes really peaceful. And she wanted some peace of mind because it's hard to have peace of mind when there is nobody in the flat. She wanted to scratch some wallpapers, but there were none in this flat. It was all painted. So, taking care of herself was the only activity she could absolutely enjoy. It's a pleasant activity, or even a business, to take care of oneself. And cats are not exceptions. Perhaps they think about bodies of their own more than people do. Why not? Their body is a temple. They are aware of it. And they get into the contact with their spirit only while having their dreams, which is really magnificent. I mean, they may have dreams, and they also share their dreams, which we can talk about in our next video.